Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your added passwords that you wish to edit. Enter your current login method, and then hit Edit button next to the delayed one. Finally, you can change wherever you want to. And save your changes by hitting Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully edited. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!